hit the like button before you leave. Jamaica's economy experienced mixed performance in late 2025. There was growth in the July to September quarter, reflecting recovery from Hurricane Beryl. However, Hurricane Melissa significantly altered the economic trajectory, with a projected contraction for the October to December quarter and for the full fiscal year 2025-2026. Economic growth is not anticipated until the October to December 2026 quarter, with full recovery taking 3 to 5 years. The World Bank estimated damage from Hurricane Melissa at $8.8 billion, impacting agriculture and accommodation sectors. Prior to the hurricane, GDP growth was projected at 1 to 3% for the financial year 2025-2026, driven by agriculture, mining, and tourism. Unemployment remained low. The government has an infrastructure development agenda focusing on economic growth and climate resilience, including highway and road projects. A water treatment plant construction is set to begin. The government is also investing in compressed natural gas buses for public transportation. Jamaica is pursuing digital transformation in education, entrepreneurship, and government services. The Empowering Jamaica's Future SDG Joint Program on Digital Transformation for Education was launched to modernize the education system through digital innovation. Venture and seed capital funds are slated for launch to promote sustainable growth among startups and MSMEs. The Jamaica Business Development Corporation is accelerating MSME digital transformation through the Digital Jamaica Project. The ICT Authority is leading Jamaica's digital transformation efforts, focusing on expanding digital access, strengthening skills, and modernizing government services. The government prioritizes human capital development through initiatives like the Lift and Care programs. Public-private partnerships are training youth in high-demand fields. A joint venture was established to provide IT and cybersecurity services. Jamaica faces economic vulnerability to natural disasters and potential job displacement due to the rise of AI. Let's take a quick commercial break. We'll be right back. Jamaica Healthbox Natural Wellness, straight from the island to your home. Discover herbs, vitamins, and holistic blends designed to support energy, digestion, immunity, and everyday balance, made with a Jamaican-inspired approach to health. Shop now. www.jamaicahealthbox.com. Jamaica Healthbox. Feel good, live clean. And we're back. Thanks for sticking with us.
Thanks for listening. Please like, share, and subscribe. Visit www.jamaicahealthbox.com to heal your body and cleanse. Your health is your wealth. Share this video.